Hello guys, my name is Shahid and today I'm going to tell you how to use Snapchat. We will discuss the different features in Snapchat and how it is different from other messaging application. We will also learn some tips and tricks, so stay tuned to the video. So first of all, I will open the application. As you can see now, when you open the application, either the front camera or the back camera will automatically open. As we know, this application is very popular in USA, not much in other countries. The most distinguishing feature that Snapchat offers is that when you send an image or you send a message, and you set a timer like 4 seconds, and when the receiver receives the message or the image, and as he open it, after 4 seconds the message or the photo will be deleted automatically. Isn't it a cool feature? You guys will be thinking that we will take a screenshot, but not in this application. If you take a screenshot, there will be a notification to the sender that the person you sent the message or the photo already captured a screenshot. As you can see, this is our home screen, where you can see on your left there are chats. So you will find your chats here. You can chat with anyone, just click on one and then you can type a message, send a photo or a video. So this is the chat box, and then on the right side, as you can see, there is discover, where you will find the stories shared by your friends or by the official accounts. You can find it here. In the middle, you can see there is the shutter button where you can capture the photos. As you can see, this is the view from my room here. So I will just take a picture, and then you can also edit the picture as well. You can add a text. This is like a very awesome view right now. So you can place the text anywhere. Even you can draw something here. You can write down something by drawing it. If you don't like it, you can undo that as well. Beside that, you can add some very good features like some stickers and things like that. And so I will add this one, the time, and this is the part where you set the timer. So if I set the time, suppose 4 seconds, and then I send this picture to one of my contact on Snapchat. Suppose I send it. So when the receiver will get the message, and the message will be seen, and then after 4 seconds the photo will be deleted automatically. So that is all the features. Beside that, if you take a picture and you do all the editing, and then as you can see, there is on the left corner you have an option to save it, or you make just beside that there is an option to make it a story so your friends will see it. So that is also an option. Beside that, you can also make videos, a short video, and then you can edit the video as well. As you can see, there is no option seen on the screen, but there is the shutter button. So if you press it for long, then as you can see, the recording gets started, and then the video is recorded. So then you can even edit the video and all those stuff. You can put some stickers, you can write down, you can add a text to it, and then you can share that video with your friends or send it to a private chat, or you can even save it to your mobile phone. So guys, if you want to add your friends and other people on Snapchat, you can just simply click here, and where you'll find the list of people who already sent you friend request or your your contacts when you allow your application to access your contacts. So anybody who is using Snapchat in your contact list, they will be shown here, and then you can add them. And if you have a friend, you can just type the name and you can search it. So that is also a way you can add your friends. As you can see, it's raining quite heavily right now here. So these are very cool features. If you did not install the Snapchat yet, then I will suggest you to install it and use it, and also suggest to your friend that they should install it, because there are some cool features. You can edit your photos, your videos, and then you can share it with each other. If you install your Snapchat, then please add me. My name is Shahid Khan, and I will bring you more videos, more information regarding the applications. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.